Alright, this is going to be a quick and dirty video. Most of the stuff I've done this week is all behind the scenes. It would be a little more difficult to show you, but I do want to let you know we are up and running at capstonecoffee.azurewebsites.net. I will add it to the form. You can start checking out the website immediately, and you'll see lots of changes will be happening probably every couple of hours now that I've got everything else in the background taken care of, and now I can start just taking care of the finite stuff. And I should have a working shopping cart and working address sign in for you by Friday, if not Thursday. I've got everything written down, and it's just now putting code to the word. So thank you, and I will see you Thursday. This time I will be there. Thank you.